Hello again, people. Today I'm going to show you how brass padlocks such as this can be bypassed quite easily, even the more expensive ones. Manufacturers were kind enough to provide a diagram of exactly how the internal of the lock looks and works. So as you can see, what we're going to try and do is enter the keyway and pull this latch back. Okay, so we'll try it on this cheap lock first. Okay, there you have it. Simple as that. Okay, now we're going to go up to the bit of a higher quality one here. You know, guards, and try the same thing. There it is. 5 seconds. Okay, so that's it for bypassing. Have fun.